We build packs for people who have to be out there no matter what the conditions. If you're really using your pack, at some point, you will break something. Chainsaws, sharp tools, gasoline, fire, getting in and out of helicopters, trucks, car doors. You got a car door. No matter what it is that we've built, we will fix it. This is the heart of Mystery Ranch. When I was an impressionable young man, I started trying to modify gear. I had a used home sewing machine. It just kept breaking or stopping. I was pretty frustrated. I hurled the machine as far as I could out into the courtyard. The local sewing machine store had a big honkin' motor. Yeah, now we're talking. And so I started taking in repairs. I started learning how packs were made. That started out a long career of simply trying to make things better. The people who really truly use their gear hard, they form an attachment to their gear. They don't want a new one, they want their gear fixed.
My name's Tom. I work in the warranty repair department. I'm the warranty repair generalist. We get the pack in from the customer, we inspect it, make sure that we're finding every single thing that's wrong with it. We build our packs for the most demanding user. I mean, that's why we have our repair department. We're here for them throughout the lifetime of their pack. We put them under the hot press and we can pretty much smell the sweat that comes off of them. That wall of fame is really interesting. It has a hiking pack that got mauled by a bear. There's a few ski packs on there, one that fell off the top of Lone Peak with a bunch of cement in it. That one's blown apart. We have a few fire packs on there. It gets engulfed in flames and gets melted. There was a guy that contacted us after falling off of a cliff. If he wasn't wearing the backpack, he most likely would have died. This is only, a fraction of what we've had sent to us from customers. You know that you're helping them personally through their life because they're using their pack all the time.
Packs are a repository of experience, and we like to get those experiences back to you. When we first got started, it was by fixing things. 47 years later, we will still fix your stuff.